Hi, welcome back to the channel. This is my dumpster desktop setup, aptly named because I found it in an alley next to a dumpster. It has an Intel Core i7-3770K and an NVIDIA GTX 960. I slapped a hard drive in it, reinstalled Windows, and it's been totally fine. I don't game on it and I don't edit videos on it, but I do sound recording, sound editing, voiceover stuff, basically everything else you use a desktop for. Until I found this high refresh rate gaming monitor and I thought to myself, let's see what this high refresh rate stuff is all about. So I played Ride 5, which my computer does not meet the minimum requirements for, and I got like 35 to 40 frames a second. Needless to say, that's not quite the 60 minimum we're going for, but I'm not ready to give up on the old girl. First, I'm going to clean it. It's in here sitting on carpet. That's on me. I'm also going to give it a repaste because I've never done it before. And I also got 32 gigs of RAM. It has 16 right now. It's basically all I got left. And we're going to see if I can't make this bad boy last through the tariffs. Oh God, I just lost sound. Speakers. Wireless controller. No. Gosh. Alright, getting better. Okay, this is totally playable. This is not nearly as bad as I remember it. But it is only like 30 frames a second. I mean, you can see like... Oh God, first gear turn, chief. You can see like the track details are kind of fuzzy. Little angular around the edges. But, well, World War II multiplayer. Alright, real quick, we'll just look at the minimum recommended requirements. i3 3225 and a GTX 662 gig. So technically I do meet the minimum requirements for this.
Check your weapons. Hunt the enemy.
Oh, we are in it. Oh, baby. Is that a grenade? Nope. Oh, grenade launcher. Well, we'll just ignore that one. But it's actually hitting like 60 frames a second now. This is totally playable. Nice shooting, Tex. Not a single hit. You just hate to see it, boys. Getting absolutely wrecked. Can I blame it on the computer? I got a shot off. Then died immediately. Whoops. That's not a good time to reload. What an idiot! He's still back there. Oh my God, we got one. I'm on the board. Alright, it worked once. You guys see him coming. Fuck you. Alright, see, I don't suck at this game. I mean, I do. But I at least know how to play it. I mean, dang. That was rough. Alright, got the old girl shined up here real nice. But the CPU block really does not want to come off. Which means that that paste is more than dry and this really needs to be done. Okay, I got it off and it is looking pretty crusty. And I had to use a bicycle tool to get it, but the show must go on. All right, repaste is done. 32 gigs of RAM is in. Doesn't look as cool because it doesn't have the heat sinks on it, but it is more, and in this case, more is better. Okay, moment of truth. Got everything plugged back in. That looks promising. Oh. Yeah. All right. "32 gigs of RAM, DDR3 1600, i3 3770. All right. Oh, got him. Okay, this is going all right. Ooh, shaky on the way in. Getting 35-ish frames a second, maybe touching 40. Barrel assing through the... Yeah. Suzuki has busted my balls. Oh my God. The Trade the Park girls go round the outside, round the outside. In the immortal words of Eminem. Getting dicey, boys. Oh, fuck you. Jesus. See, like, the mirror image detail, oh God, is awful. Not the most detailed, mid-30s frames a second, but again, My computer does not actually meet the minimum requirements for this game, and I am totally playing it right now. So honestly, I'm going to call this a W. How's my processor? Processor's only at 40% utilization. I want to feel like I could slap this GPU in a newer motherboard with a modern CPU, and I would get like 60 frames a second, but honestly, I don't know. Yeah, I don't think I would. I think it would help. That might give me 50. But GPU is definitely the bottleneck here. Oh! Cleaned out. Well, there goes my podium finish. Gosh, don't you just hate that in a racing game? Last lap. Oh, I'm embarrassed. Terrible. We will move on to Call of Duty. I couldn't let it go out like that. I'm going to try again. 3 and 13 is not my finest work. Bag 'em, boys. Not off to a great start. Oh dear. Kill of the game right there. Evening, boys. Hello, hello. Could have seen that one coming. All right, this whole accuracy situation. Needs work. Oh my God. I even know they're there and I can't do it. They're all gonna be right behind me, aren't they? They were all right behind me. All right. Definitely still suck at the game. Definitely still suck. Starting to figure it out. Wow. I definitely feel comfortable saying accuracy is my problem, not how many frames I'm getting. Oh my God. I had one incredible shot and then just was terrible the rest of the time. Everybody gets one. Nice. Way to bring back fall damage. 6 and 18. Better than 1 and 6. It is what it is. Jesus. Okay, my Call of Duty skills need a little work, but there's a lot of skills for life. I'm willing to suck at Call of Duty. This is Future Maslow after having gone through and edited all of the footage from earlier. I was so locked in while I was gaming and still doing horribly that it was consuming my entire existence. And I didn't even notice what a huge success Call of Duty Modern Warfare, not Modern Warfare, Call of Duty World War II was. I literally doubled my frame rate from 60 to 120 with the addition of 32 gigs of RAM. That's hot rodding right there, baby. That's why we do it. I'm so happy with how that turned out. And I can't wait to see what other games are available to me now that my computer's got a little more horsepower. And I would also love to put a new motherboard in this machine. It's literally got DDR3 RAM. and see what it could do with modern integrated graphics and the GTX 960. I mean, the thing is a unit for how old it is. I think I'm just going to call this one a W and end it off right here. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and hot rod everything.